Okay, welcome to tonight's dinner. We're doing one pot chicken Marylands, and it's going to be with some lemon thyme, olive oil, tomato, mushrooms, garlic, onion, salt and pepper, and a glass of white wine. Start the cooking process now. I hope you enjoy. Okay, in some hot oil, I'm going to throw my onions. Stir them around for a little bit. I'm not trying to get any colour, just to soften them up. And I'll throw in my garlic and mix them through, and then I'll add the chicken. Okay, after about 2 minutes, I now add my chicken, moving it around because I don't want it to burn. I'm going to turn this over and cook it for another 4 or 5 minutes so it browns nice and evenly. And then we'll take the next steps. Okay, now that my chicken is taken on some colour, I add the wine. Move it around. Turn down my heat. So I want this to cook nice and slowly now. And then I'll add the mushrooms and the tomatoes. I've added the salt, I've added my pepper, I've added my thyme. And now this is going to cook approximately an hour to an hour and 10 minutes on a low heat. Okay, I've been cooking for about an hour. I took the lid off about 7 or 8 minutes ago just to start thickening the sauce a little bit. We're almost there. Smelling awesome. And the sauce is nice and thick now. And ready to serve. So it took about 15 minutes for the sauce to thicken up. Enjoy, and then put your sides there. There's the potatoes and the vegetables.